Good interior design is a harmonious blend of various elements that work together to create a space that is functional, aesthetically and emotionally satisfying. It goes beyond mere decoration and involves consideration of space's purpose, the occupants' needs, and overall ambience. Well-designed interior prioritize functionality. The layout and arrangement of furniture and fixtures should support the activities that will take place in the space. Every element should have a purpose and contribute to the overall usability of the room. Achieving balance and proportion ensures that the visual weight of elements in the room is distributed evenly. This creates a sense of harmony and prevents one side from feeling heavier. The color palette should be carefully chosen to create cohesive and pleasing experience. Colors should complement each other and evoke the desired mood for the space. Incorporate variety of textures and materials. Adds depth and tactile interest to the design. Mixing materials like wood, metal, glass, and fabric adds richness to the space. Furniture should not only be stylish, but also comfortable and appropriate for the space's function. The scale of furniture should be in proportion, and the arrangement should facilitate conversation, movement. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting mood and enhancing the functionality of a space. Combination of ambient, task, accent lighting creates layers of illumination that can be adjusted based on activities taking place. Thoughtfully chosen accessories add personality to the space. These can include artwork, rugs, cushions, and decorative items that reflect the occupant's style and interests. The arrangement of furniture and the layout of the room should promote easy movement and circulation. Should be clear pathways and no obstructions. Good interior design goes beyond aesthetics. Well-designed space should make occupants feel comfortable, relaxed, and inspired. A great interior design incorporates elements that reflect the personality and preferences. It should feel like unique and personal space, not just a generic design. Small details, like the choice of hardware, trim, and finishes significantly impact design. Attention to these details adds a level of sophistication to the space. An increasing focus on eco-friendly design principles ensures that materials and practices are environmentally responsible. Sustainable design choices contribute to both aesthetics and long-term impact stays. While trends come and go, good interior design has a timeless quality, opting for classic elements alongside contemporary touches can create a design that stands the test of time. In summary, good interior design is delicate balance of form and function, aesthetics and practicality. It considers the needs and preferences of the occupants while creating an appealing, harmonious environment. Well-designed space is one that feels inviting, functions effortlessly, and tells a story about those who inhabit it. Casa Custom offers expert advice and solutions to refresh your space. Create a home that's always up to date. Follow us and get more details.